Hello and welcome to Stroke by Stroke. This one, as you can see, is very different. The sky today was absolutely beautiful, and I thought it would just be nice to share it with you.
I used to fool myself like a note in a pocket. Kept my colors dim so nobody could knock it. Smiled at every shadow even when it hurt to bend. Laughed at all the wrong times just to keep the peace again. I held my joy inside like a light I had to hide. Kept the door locked double tight till it ached beneath my skin. But this heart's not made for storage. It's a room with open doors. I'm tearing down that borrowed portrait. I'm becoming mine again. I'm becoming mine again. I trod on every voice like a thrift store sweater. Too tight at the shoulders, thought it meant I'd be better. Counted every heartbeat that I swallowed in a day, till the silence got so heavy it began to sound like praise. I held my joy inside like a light I had to hide. Kept the door locked double tight till it ate beneath my skin. But this heart's not made for storage. It's a room with open doors. I'm tearing down that borrowed portrait. I'm becoming mine again. I'm becoming mine again. Let them think I'm too much. I was never meant for less. All this color in my bloodstream finally breaking through my chest. Let my laughter shake the ceiling. Let my tears fall where they may. Every feeling that I bury plants a wildflower today. Hey! I held my joy inside. Now it's pouring from my eyes. All that careful, quiet pride turns to sun.